Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making this drunken Barbi-Fried chicken. Mm-mm-mm. Stay tuned if you want to know how I made this gorgeous looking dish.
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
So guys, I started by washing my chicken. Now that's up to you whether you want to wash your chicken, boo. I need to wash my chicken. So first what I'm doing now is I'm just making holes in the chicken to just make sure when you put that marinade on, it just goes through easily, and plus it helps with the cooking process because it allows this heat to go through the chicken a lot better. Full description of ingredients used will be in the description box, but I'm just going through now and I'm just seasoning up the chicken with my mixed seasoning. Once you've done that, just give it a good rub. Make sure you get into those corners and the crevices and around this one, up this one. Then once you do that, you put on your ground seasoning and then give it another good rub. Cover this ideally, leave it in the fridge overnight. Now guys, I'm just gonna lightly flour my chicken. I don't want too much flour on it, as I find when you put the sauce on, it just sucks up the sauce too much. My liking, my preference. You do what you gotta do. First, before you put it in the flour, make sure you remove the excess ground seasoning that's on the chicken, because nobody want to eat no burnt piece of thyme or onion. Not happening in my kitchen. But you know the process. Flour the chicken and just put it in that oil. Now I did have some, I would say, bigger size chicken, so I fried these for about 15 to 20 minutes in the deep fry. Make sure you keep checking the chicken. What you can do is put a knife through the chicken, and if the juices run clear, you're good to go. But you make sure you cook that chicken properly. So here I'm just making up my sauce. I will leave what I use in the description box, so just go ahead and check that out. Now I've got this going on a low heat, because we're not trying to cook the sauce, we're just trying to warm it through. Now once you've added all your ingredients and given that sauce a good mix, just leave it on that low heat just for it to bubble through for a bit. Then you're gonna add in, I am using Cavassier, but whatever brandy you got, I'm sure it will work just the same. Now you do want this to kind of heat through for about 5 minutes, because you know what, nobody ain't getting drunk around here, so make sure you heat that thing through, boo. Now once that's done, I'm just gonna lightly brush this sauce all over this chicken. If you want to dunk it in the sauce, go ahead, but I prefer to brush it on. Then you know you can put more if you want to, or yeah, but I'm happy enough just to brush this sauce on, because this sauce is quite rich, and if you want more, boo, just put some more on there. Now guys, I don't put mine in the oven because I find when I do that, it just gets a little bit soggy. So that's why I don't dunk it in the sauce. I just do it like this, and for me, delicious, ready. There you have it, guys. Now I serve this up with some mashed potatoes, some mixed veg, and some fried plantain on the side, and I'm telling you guys, I thoroughly enjoyed this dish. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. If you have not already subscribed and you like my content, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn that notification bell on so you don't miss an upload. Thanks for watching, guys, and remember to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself.